Hi, welcome to the Practical English channel. Already we have discussed about passive voice having different forms, but today we will learn a new thing. It may make you astonished. You cannot imagine what sir is telling, whether sir is wrong, book is wrong, or we are wrong. Very interesting chapter. Keep it in your mind. That means today we are going to focus on restrictions in passive voice. Restrictions. Okay, restrictions. Please remember, restrictions in passive form. This type of question, these questions seems very easy, but please remember, these have no passive forms. Isn't it? Please remember, these questions are coming in competitive exams and it seems very easy, but it is very difficult because these have no passive forms. Okay? That means in passive form, you know one thing, subject is there, verb is there, and object is there. If object is there, you know the formula, object will come first, then it will be carried by what? Be verb, then main verb, third form, then object. Like that you have learned. Same formula. But some restrictions are here. Some restrictions are here. You cannot do passive form. Okay? So, not all active verbs can have passive form. You remember, please remember, already you have read that if verb is active and it can make it passive form. Already you have read. But here, some examples are given, you cannot make it a passive form. Suppose, I have a car. Subject, verb, object. If it comes in the exam, what you will do? Generally, you will do a car has had by me. You are doing like that. Or a car has or is. But it is not right, it is wrong. It is not grammatically accepted. Ungrammatical. So it cannot be. Okay. So here my father resembles me. Resembles me. You can make it me will come to the first. I am resembled by my father. You can do like this, but it is wrong. It is wrong. It is wrong. It can't be. Okay. He lacks courage. You can make it courage. Then present tense, courage is lacked by him. You can do like this, but it is wrong. It is wrong. It cannot be. Okay. These shoes well fit me. That means me will come to the first. Present tense, I am fitted, well fitted by these shoes. It is wrong. These are wrong. You can make it, but it is ungrammatical. That means it is not accepted. He flees from country. That means you can do country, flees present tense, country is fled by him. It is also not accepted. So please remember, it seems to change into passive. It seems to change into passive form, but these are not grammatically accepted. So these are wrong. What you can say? These are wrong. Okay. Okay. So it seems you can change into passive form. It seems. But why? Now because not at all active verbs can have passive form. Okay. That means have possesses or these verbs possesses. These verb, that means resembles, lacks, fit, flee, and shoot, hold, let, owe, like, marry, and others. That means it means possesses, it, take, experience, suffer. That means it possesses. So these cannot be turned into passive form. Please remember these. These cannot be turned into passive form. So in the examination, which examination you can say not in the your exam, but in competitive exams, these questions are coming, 4 options are there. What you will do? You will think that, if you apply the formula here, then the answer will be wrong. So you remember, not all active verbs can have passive form. That means if have is there, if it means like that, eat, take, experience, suffer, shoot, hold, let, oh, like, marry, like that, if these type of verb comes, then you cannot turn into passive. If you make it passive form, that will be unnatural, absurd. You can say here some restrictions are there, so you cannot do it. Okay, number 1 completed. Then come to number 2. That means unnatural and absurd passive form. Sometimes you are getting Ramchandra married Sita. Question came, you turn into passive form. What you are doing? You are thinking it is subject, it is verb, it is object. So you are taking Sita is married to Ramchandra, or Bhai Ramchandra you are doing, but it is not right. It is totally wrong. It cannot be. It can't be turned into passive form. Okay, then like that, because it is unnatural. In English, in grammar, these are unnatural and absurd, ungrammatical. But we are thinking, because we are well acquainted with the form and formulas, so we are applying the formulas everywhere. So some restrictions are there, please remember. Okay, then 2 and 3 make 5. Suppose 2 and 3 it is subject, make verb, then object is there. We are what we are doing, we are well acquainted with taking the object. 5 we are doing generally like this. 5 is made by 2 and 3, by 2 and 3, because formula, according to the formula, this should be, but it is unnatural. Please remember, these are unnatural. Some verbs are there, they are unnatural, but it can't be turned into passive form. That is wrong. Then children like chocolate. Already I have told here also, like I have written, like cannot be changed into passive form. That means children like chocolates. You can do it easily. Chocolates are liked by children. As per the rule, the passive form will be like that. Chocolates are liked by children, but these are not accepted. These are not accepted because like verb is there. Like, make, here also make unnatural, and here also married unnatural. So it will be also wrong. So which means to possesses, that means eat, take, experience, suffer, shoot, hold, let, owe, like, marry, and others will come. Love, climb, okay, read also. These are what you can say unnatural and absurd. But you can easily, if the question comes in the examination, you are doing it easily. You are thinking that you are right. So restrictions, please remember. If you remember, in future you will not be a sufferer. But now these types of questions will not come in the examination. But please remember, when you will go to appear the different competitive exams, then this type of question will come, and you know that if I apply the formula, I can do it very easily. But when you will come from the examination hall and you will mark yourself, you will get 0 mark, because these some restrictions are there. You have to remember the restriction sentences or restriction verbs. Okay, number 1, not all active verbs can have passive form, number 1. Number 2, these are the unnatural. That means here also I can say unnatural. Babies drink milk, also it will come drink milk. If you make it passive form, what will you think? You think that milk is drunk by babies. Milk is drunk by babies. But you are thinking that it is right, but it is not accepted because it comes under unnatural and absurd passive form. Okay, we eat rice, like that. We eat rice, eat also. It will come also. Eat, we cannot make into passive. Rice is eaten by us. We are writing rice formula. We are applying the formula everywhere, but it can't be. Then loves. Mother loves her children. What you are doing? You are doing that her children are loved by mother. You are thinking, it is the passive form of this. You are thinking, but it cannot be changed. If you have done it like this, then what will happen? This sentence will be unnatural and absurd. So, absolutely it is wrong. Absolutely it is wrong. Clear? Clear? Then come to the monkeys. The monkey climbed the tree. Here you are thinking that the monkey is subject, verb is climbed, it is in past tense. The tree, what you are doing generally? Now the tree was climbed by the monkeys. Why? Now because this is subject, this is verb, this is object. Object will come to the first. Object came to the first. Then it is in past tense. So be verb was there. Then what? Climbed. Third form climbed is there. By agent form came. Then all subject became subject turned into object. You are thinking it is tree. So because the climb verb is there means it is unnatural and absurd sentence. So it cannot be turned into passive voice. If you do like this, it will be wrong. Clear? Clear? Have you understood? Please remember these verbs. Especially please remember. Then I read Bengali. Read also. Sometimes the question coming, I read stories. Stories are read by me, you are doing. But read, it is unnatural. So it cannot be. So the answer won't be Bengali was read by me. You are doing like this, the passive. Very short sentences, small sentences, but these values more. So it is unnatural. This answer will be wrong. Clear? Clear? Number 2 clear? Number 2, that means please remember which verb I focused. Which verb I focused on that verb. Dekho, please see, eat, take, experience, suffer, have, resemble, lack, feed, flee, marry, make, like, then should, hold, let, it is completed, love, drink, climb, read. These cannot be turned into passive form. If you are making it passive, then the sentence will be what? Unnatural and absurd. Isn't it? So it is grammatically not accepted. Isn't it? It is ungrammatical. It is not real. Isn't it? So you have to remember this. Okay. Then come to third point of today. I have taken 3 points because you have to remember more. That's why I have taken 3 points in this restriction part. So please remember, in the 3 parts you have got many more verbs. That verb may be active. It looks like an active, but you cannot make it passive. Okay. Then what is reflexives are ungrammatical. Sometimes I hurt myself question is coming. I hurt. Suppose the question came, I hurt myself. Make it into passive. What you are doing? I subject, hurt, verb, then object is myself. You are taking myself, is or was. Hurt, is or was hurt. Third form hurt by me. Myself was hurt by me. You are doing like this because you are applying the formula. When you are applying the formula, it becomes wrong because it is in reflexive form. It is in reflexive form. Reflective. Myself. Reflective form. So reflexives are ungrammatical. If you are changing the reflexive sentences into passive, it will be wrong. So it is clearly wrong. Please remember it. It is clearly wrong. Like that. It opened itself. It opened, it is subject. Opened is verb. Itself is reflexive. So you please remember that reflexive has no passive form. If you are doing it, itself was opened. If you are doing like this, by it or like this, then it will be wrong. These questions technically you have to remember, and these questions are coming in the what competitive examination. It seems very easy. It seems very easy. You are you are thinking that Oh, it is very easy, I can do it. But it won't be. Then she saw herself in the mirror. That means she is the subject, saw is verb, herself is reflexive. If reflexive is there, no passive form will be there. So you cannot do herself was seen in the mirror by her. You cannot. You are making a passive form. How? Now using the formula. You know the formula. That's why you are applying the formula here. While you are applying the formula, the answer is coming like this. Herself was seen in the mirror by her. The answer is coming this. But as you know, please remember, if reflexive, myself, herself, themselves, itself, ourselves, if these are coming, no passive form is there. No passive. If you are making it passive, then what will be? It will be unnatural, absurd. Isn't it? So, my dear students, today we have discussed only 3 points. In 3 points, you have got what? Many more verbs that cannot be changed into passive form. If you are changing it in passive form, what will happen? It will be unnatural, it will be absurd, it will be ungrammatical. Grammatical, these are not right. My dear students, hope you have understood it, and if you have any doubt, then you can ask. And please remember these verbs: shoot, hold, let, owe, like, marry, here drink, love, climb, then reflexives, then here make, then also what you can say, flee, then lacks, resembles, have. That means which possesses, like this, eat, which possesses, which means eat, take, experience or suffer. If you are changing into passive form, it will be unnatural, ungrammatical and unacceptable. Okay, my dear students, thank you. Very good. Do good and be good.